So, tonight's the night to remove the motor and this gearbox thing up here. So it looks like we got some electricals down here. We got I'm probably just gonna get rid of this. I don't need fucking friggin' interlocks. So yeah, pulleys all gotta come off. Then this plate here, which is for the guard, can come off. And then hopefully we'll be able to get to the motor after that. So get the motor off, get this big old steel box off, and that should be that. So we'll see how it goes. So finally got it all in. Milling machine, lathe, well, most of the lathe, rest of the lathe. So had to I pulled off as much as I could to lighten the load. I was again planning on getting the spindle off, but there's some bolts under there that I'm not quite sure. I don't think I can get to without taking it off the chip pan, and then that's too much. So I picked up this side. It's freaking heavy, but it was manageable. So at this point, we were able to roll it up the driveway and get it in the elevator and bring it down. So I did that with the spindle, gearbox, and motor as well. Same thing, like I could have taken this little box here off that has the lead screw, but what's the point? Like I would have had to undo all the wiring. Same thing with the motor. I just got lazy. It wasn't that heavy, so yeah, it's got this stupid interlock thing for safety, but I don't know. I don't have any use for this, so I'm gonna have to fix the wiring so this thing just runs whenever I want it to, and not when it feels like running. But yeah, same thing. There was this interlock switch here was down here for the cover. So, but yeah, I don't need that shit. But yeah, got the gears off for the lead screw. I got some more gears upstairs. Get them all in one place, and then that's basically the little guy that you put the two gears on, and then you can change. Too bad it doesn't have a proper gear shift box. That's real nice, but for a mini lathe, I don't even know if they make them like that. Anyways, then we got some accoutrement for cleaning and making stuff look nicer than it already does. I mean, this thing has hardly been used. The only issues really is that this gearbox leaked a little bit of oil. But yeah, I'm just going to clean everything up, and this thing is going to be nice. So, but yeah, everything feels real good here. And yeah, idea is get this guy up on the bench. Well, first I'm going to clean everything properly. And then once everything's clean, I'm going to clear the bench off, get this on the bench, and then put it all back together with all the clean pieces. And then I've actually got another piece of workbench that goes here, but this is probably going to be all the way to the right side over here, and then this guy is going to sit right on the corner, and then I'll just have another workbench area right here that's going to, so this will probably fit to the end right here. So everything, all the weight's going to be on one bench, and I'm not going to be like straddling two things, but then I'll have some more workspace over here, and this will get moved over a little bit. So yeah, should be good, I think. I hope. We'll see. But yeah, then I got some really rad lights that I'm going to stick up top. So I'll put in some holes or something up there, but yeah. And then you got beer too, endless supply. There's more back there. But yeah, that's all the crap that I had to move out of the way. So pretty happy. I'll be more happy when we make some chips. So till then. Have a good one.